Hey everybody, Brandon here from CAD Intentions, and in today's video we're going to be talking about fields in Autocad and how they can help you speed up and automate a ton of things in Autocad, most importantly text. You might be watching this on my YouTube. A field to automate the scale text of our viewport or detail label here. So you can see I've got two here, and neither is dynamic since this is just plain text. By using a field, and I'll show you how to insert that, we can automate this text so that it'll change and update as you change the view of your viewport. This can be a huge time saver and prevent errors later on if someone else is working on the drawing, or if you are and you change the scale of your viewport and forget to update the text. So to get started, you're going to want to go into your text, whether it's an M text or in this attribute, and you can select the text you want to turn into a field or just delete it and right click and say insert field. If you've got text selected, you can still do the same thing. So we're going to right click and insert our field. And from here, you're going to get this drop down category. It may default to all. You can make it quicker and easier by selecting objects in our case. And then we're going to choose our field name, which is the object. We're going to choose our object type. We're going to select our viewport. And then over here, you can choose the property you want the text to display. In our case, we're going to use custom scale, which will show over here on the right under the preview. And from there, we're going to choose the format we'd like to show our scale in. We've been using the number to 1 in this case, so it's going to show as 20:1. If we hit OK, that adds our field, which you can tell by the grayed out text, into our attribute editor dialog box. To add this to your label, simply hit OK, and you can see now that we have an attribute. Next, we can quickly test it out by simply changing the scale of our viewport. So we're going to unlock this first, and let's say we change it to 15:1. You can see it's zoomed out a little bit, and you can see that the text is still 20:1. To update a field, you can type in regen to regen all of the fields, or simply save your drawing. But once we've typed in regen and